Let's see how to design a social media poster in Canva. Go to Canva and go to upload section. Now add your image to the page and adjust the size. Crop out the extra white space of the image like I'm showing in my video. Now select your image and go to edit image option. Select the BG remover to remove the background of the image. Let's add some text to our design. Go to text option, add a text box and type your text in it. Now adjust the size of the text and go to font option to change the font style. Here I'm using Anton font. Now adjust the size of your text. Go to text color option and hover over the color under document colors. You will get the settings option. Now pick a color from here to add a color from your image. Hover over the image and once you have selected your color, select it. The color is applied to your text. Now adjust the placement of the text to the center. Now let's add some colors to our background. So select your page and go to background color option. Now here you will get multiple color options and here I'm going to use colors from the photo colors. Go to effects option to add effects to your text. Select the text and add a lift text and adjust its intensity. Now duplicate your text to create a design. Now here adjust the size of your second text, make it little bit smaller than the first one and place it to the center. Now go to text color option, hover over the colors to change the color and select it. I'm going to use the same color of the background and then click on the settings option and make it little bit lighter. Now we are going to repeat the same process for multiple times. Select your text and duplicate it. Go to colors option, select the color and make it little bit lighter than the first one in each step and place it to the center. So here this is I'm going to do for the 3 to 4 times to create my text. Now once done adding colors, text alignments and the colors for the text, go to this more option and go to position option. Now here go to layers option. Here we are going to add our first text on the top. Then on the second layer we are going to add our image. And from third layers we are going to adjust our text in the orders. The second text we are going to add to the first layer after the image and so on. The third text to the second layer after the image in the layers option and the fourth text to the third layer after the image. And now adjust the size of your image again if needed and place it to the center. This is how we created our social media design in Canva. If you have loved and enjoyed this tutorial, thumbs up and subscribe for more such videos.